Vanilla or chocolate?
This is too much pressure.
Buddy, you just pick one.
Maybe both?
Yeah!
Mommy, who am I?
I don't know. Who are you?
I'm Daddy. Daddy, I want to marry you.
Too late. I married him first.
No, that is mine.
Oh, buddy.
What happened, Daddy?
I'm in love
With who?
with Mommy.
Oh, I almost cry more. You never kiss me like that.
Oh, my love. Come here.
It's okay, you can talk to me. He's very shy.
Oh my God! That's hilarious!
Too much, buddy.
Mommy's sleeping? She go.
She sound like that? You're something else, kiddo.